Good morning, Beshies, and welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. Andito na ulit ngayon na inyong Ate Jaja. Day 2, last day here in Bangkok. So, it's currently 4 AM and yes, hindi naman kami natulog talaga. Diyos ko, para kaming, well, consider ba na sleep or power nap kapag 1 hour or and a half lang, 1.5 hour lang. But I guess, you know, we're full of energy today and excited for our next tour planned by Jaja the Explorer Travel and Tours. Anyway, charing lang. So, sakay kami ngayon ng Grab and we're going to Mochit bus terminal. Nag-book na ako ng bus going to Pattaya. So, din yung ating next step. I've never been to Pattaya before, so I'm glad na naisingit namin siya sa itinerary today because it's going to be my first. So I'm excited. So samahan niyo kami sa dito namin, and then after that, hopefully magkaroon kami ng time to visit the Chatuchak Night Market kasi magkalapit lang yun sa Mochit bus terminal. And then from there, well, we're gonna pick up our luggages and go to the airport because we're going back to the Philippines. Grabe talaga. Kailangan talaga makatry lang sila ng authentic na pad thai for today. And, ano pa yung isa mong gusto, Berna? Yeah, mango sticky rice. So, yan. So, yes. Mura lang yung nabook ko pala, beshes na bus. It's around 270, 280 pesos one way. So, yung biyahe is around 2.5 hours. But hopefully 2 hours lang. Kasi we need to be at Dusit Thani at 8 AM para sa aming tour for today. So, yun. Anyway, I want more sleep, but on the other hand, I'm very excited for this tour, kaya parang medyo may energy pa rin ako today. Anyway, see you guys in a bit. Good morning, my friends. Good morning. Ayan. So, ayan. So, ayan. We're going to Pattaya. See you there. We made it here sa bus stop sa Mochit Terminal. Actually, si Kuya na Grab, tinulungan niya kami na mapunta dun sa kabilang bus station, which is also papunta rin naman ng Pattaya, but kasi yung binuko is big bus, so dun talaga siya sa kabila. So tumawid pa kami sa kabila, dun talaga sa mismong Mochit station. Tama yung pinin namin for drop off, but si Kuya kasi sabi niya dun daw yung Pattaya sa kabilang side. So alam niyo yun, nakikinig lang naman kami, 'di ba? Ang ending, kami yung naglakad. Pero okay lang din kasi naka-workout kami. We're at 3,000 steps today. And then, nakakatawa kasi hinahanap namin yung platform 42, which is yun yung bus station. Hindi nagtuturo ng tama yung mga siguro hindi ka rin kami nagkakaintindihan. Tapos nakakatawa, nagtanong kami, magkaiba yung direction na binigay. So, what a morning. So, yun. Masaya naman ang experience, 'di ba? Yung mga ganitong moment of part talaga siya ng travel, and 'di ba? At least na-experience nila yung mga ganitong moment and all. So, happy naman. So, hindi pa nagsa-start yung mismong tour, but ang dami na naming mga na-experience for today's video. Anyway, yun lang. Sakto naman umalis ng 5 AM yan, guys, yung mga bus. So, I'll keep you guys posted kung ano aming next na ganap. Malapit na tayo sa Pattaya, guys. So, it's already 6:58 ng umaga, and we're just perfect. We're just in time because yung tour namin is magsa-start ng 8 AM yung pick up. So, ang galing ko talaga. Ang perfect talaga ng itinerary. Like, kinikwento ko kay Ellie just few minutes ago. Ang perfect ng itinerary. Yung pagkising ko sa umaga. Yung pagkising ko sa kanila. Like, yung pag-prepare namin. Everything. And pag-check out namin sa hotel. terminal. And perfect lang talaga yung time namin na ngayon. Malapit lang dito yung Dusit Thani. I think it's around 5-10 minutes. We're now here at Dusit Thani. Wait lang namin guys yung tour namin kasi dito na kami ipipick up. Actually may office sila dyan sa labas lang but dito yung sinabi ni tour guide na waiting area. So we'll just wait and then mga 8 AM nandito na sila. But ito yung itsura ng Dusit Thani dito sa Pattaya. May dagat daw dun sa likod actually. Hindi ko naman napapansin na may dagat na dito but yeah, may dagat dun sa likod. So anyway, ipakita ko lang sa inyo yung lobby area nila.
Name is mean the bird, yeah. You can call me Nok or you can call me Bird, yeah. And this is the driver, Mr. God, yeah, Mr. God.
Mr. God.
Okay, today the first, before we start to begin our team for today. Okay, today we have 10 people and may I recommend that this the 3 lady at the front seat from Philippines. And the second, the 2 people from UK.
Hello.
And the next, the 2 lady from Korea, USA. Yeah, Korea, USA. And another 2 people at the back seat from Japan. Japan, Ohio, Ohio. And it's a one-man show. Yeah, this is from Africa, South Africa. Okay, everyone. Yeah, we point for memory. And later, and the third stop, we go to visit the Big Buddha Temple on the area in the nightlife in the Pattaya city. We have many kinds of the seafood restaurant, fast food, bar, beer, alcohol bar, music, discotheque, everything in the nightlife in the Pattaya city here. And in the night time, we not around the on vehicle come back to the inside because we have a lot of people by walk in the walking street, maybe the 5,000, 10,000 people in the night time. The small village, the population is at that time only the 20 or 30,000 people, and today is a big city. We have the population, the 40,000 people is the local people today. And the Pattaya city, the first time we have the something that happened in the Southeast Asia 65 years ago. That is the Vietnam War. Vietnam War, American military come to Thailand and they established Air Force base in Thailand. And that is the first that the customer come to visit the Pattaya city 65 years ago by American military in that time. And after finished Vietnam War, Pattaya city is growing up, economy is better. The change from the small village become to the big city today by American military in the Vietnam War.
So, Beshies, I would describe Pattaya like La Union. La Union vibes siya as in tabi-tabi yung mga kainan dito, mga restaurant, and combination siya ng pansol and La Union. Ewan ko kung may sense ba yun. Yung dagat nila, 3 kilometers lang daw. Pero nung ano kasi, kahapon and tonight actually, meron siyang fireworks festival. So maganda yung fireworks. Kaya madaming nagsistay kagabi sa Dusit Thani is because of the fireworks. But yun, marami rin pupunta today. May floating market na kasama yung tour. And then we're going to Sanctuary of Truth as well. And then yung Pattaya na signage. Ganito siya, precious o. Like, makikipot yung daan. Parang La Union talaga. Alam mo yung La Union na pansol. Alam ko kung tama. Hindi ba nag-agriculture ka dito? Ay, siya nakarating. Tapos yun yung nararamdaman ko ngayon, guys. Yun ako. Ganong vibes. Although, if you like party talaga, party, nightlife, then I guess this is the place to be. Talagang, nakakatawa nga kasi yung mga display na damit, hindi yung souvenir. Yung mga display ng damit, mga sexy outfit. Kasi nga, yun yung mga gusto na ibenta dito. So, yun. Itong area na to, yung pinakita ko kanina, sarado pa halos sila kasi nga gabi. Ito yung pinaka-nightlife area nila. So, siguro hapon hanggang madaling araw sila open. But yung ngayon, wala masyado actually. First stop natin, Besh, is itong Pattaya City na signage. Ayan siya. So, mga 5 minutes lang daw na stop dito. Kasi bawal yata tumigil ang van. This is the Pattaya viewpoint. our next stop, Beshies, ay dito sa Big Buddha. So, we can stay here for 15 minutes. Para picture-picture. Then, you know, sightseeing.
And after, yeah, the free time, 15 minutes, yeah.
Ay, group photo. So, Beshies, andito tayo ngayon sa Pattaya Floating Market. And may binigay lang na sticker kasi yun yung magsisilbing ating entrance. And libreng toilet for later. So, ayan. Yung mga picture-picture, ayan na. Anyway, so, let's go with the floating market, guys.
5 people. 1 by 1. 5 people.
Okay, Madam Sim.
Everybody there. Yeah, the whole inside, yeah.
Okay,
outside.
Hey, morning.
Mahaba.
The center.
Hi, everyone. Aileen. So, yan. Start na ating floating market.
Welcome to Pattaya Floating Market, Beshies, also known as the Four Regions Floating Market. Tinawag siyang Four Regions kasi it showcases products and culture from the 4 main regions of Thailand, ang North, Northeast, Central, and South. This market opened in 2008 and isa siya sa pinaka-popular attractions dito sa Pattaya. Ang cool part is the whole market is actually built over water, connected by wooden bridges and walkways. Kaya super scenic and Instagrammable kahit naglalakad ka lang. Even if hindi kami nakapag-try sa lahat ng stalls dito, sobrang worth it pa rin to explore and see the architecture, culture, and unique vibe ng floating market. Let's continue exploring!
So, Beshies, binigyan kami ng 1 hour to roam around Pattaya Floating Market, and then at 10:45 naman, babalik kami dun sa may table kasi may kasamang lunch yung tour namin. Ano yun? Coffee. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Ang sarap naman ito. Parang ang sarap niya. Pork ribs with honey. Durian. Ang bango ng durian. My God. Of course, kailangan ang mango sticky rice. Ayan. Ayan. Mango sticky rice experience. Let me know your thoughts. Kasi parang madilaw, maano pa nga siya, light pa yung, hindi pa super yellow yung ano, yung manga. Pati ikaw, Ailey. Thank you, Lord. Ito ano, maganda itong isa. Sa part pala yung pagkakataon. Ano, rating? Busin, parang hindi yeah, ang dami mga damit dito, Beshies, pero mahal talaga dito compared sa ano, sa mga night market. As in, triple yung price niya. Ayan. Ang cute naman ito. Yung top niya. Cutie. Ang bababa niya, ano, ganda. Talagang. Ayan. Gunting sa mga color. Galing, Beshies, yung piniprito nilang banana Q ay saging talaga mismo. Hindi. Ay, may saging na ganyan, hindi saba. Ayan, o. Ang kalat. Just di ko na napigilan. Na-curious ako. Bibili na ako nito. How much? 40 baht. 1 order. Ayan guys, so. Can I take a video? Diba? So, eto na nadadala ng ating curiosity. Ayan. Para siyang mangtoots. Yung may sesame seeds na banana. So, beshies, bumalik kami nitong banana turon. Chirin. Let's try. Ito siya, guys. Feeling ko kapareho lang siya ng banana pew sa atin. Let's see. Parang maruya. Parang siyang maruya. Wanna try? Here. Try it. Try.
Thank you.
Hey guys.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Is it good? You wanna try?
I'm alright.
What about you? Is it good? It's good. Hindi siya saging na saba guys, pero masarap siya. Huh? Parang maruya. Ang sarap niya. It's good. Anong mas asayahan kayo dito kaysa sa mango sticky rice? It's good. Masarap siya, beshies. It's good, right? Say it in Korean. Masasaya. Annyeonghaseyo. So, beshies, meron kaming kasamang lunch, meron kaming scrambled egg, and then ito ay hindi ko alam kung anong tawag. And this one is masarap. Masarap siya. This is good. 40 baht siya, then 10 pieces na yung saging na yan. So, ayan. Noodles. What is this called? Tom yum? Maybe tom yum. Look like tom yum, right? Spicy noodles. Masarap to, guys. Nakaka-addict siya. Hindi siya super tamis. And may sesame seeds. And wala siya masyadong sugar. So, I think yung sugar niya nandun na sa batter ng saging. Sarap. And crunchy. Mainit. Nagtataka ako nung una kung mauubos ni ate kasi luto siya ng luto. Tapos, ang dami bumibili. So, na-curious na ako kasi kanina pa kami nakatambay dito. Yun. Masarap pala siya. And we have here stir-fried vegetables.
Yeah.
We need the tissue.
Thank you. Thank you, Ailey.
Empty tissue.
Oh yes, we have the steamed rice. Wait a minute, yeah. Wait a minute, please. We have steamed rice. Steamed rice.
So, we have here soup, tom yum soup, with mushroom. Alam ni Ailey, favorite ko ang mushroom. So, we have this. Let's see if it's spicy. Usually, ito medyo maasim to na maanghang. But tingnan natin kung lasa. I was right. So, yung tom yum soup nila dito sa Bangkok or sa Thailand, I think they love adding basil sa mga pagkain nila. Alam nyo ba, nung una, alam nyo ba yung balanoy? That's basil. You don't know that. Nilalagay sa kanin, if I'm not mistaken, mama comment down below. But nilalagay sa kanin para mabango, I think. Kanin or munggo. But yeah, this has mushroom and yung potatoes and Thai basil. So yeah, ganun-ganun yung lasa niya. It's just, it's not spicy at all. It has mushroom and then shrimp. But yeah, yun yung lasa niya. Ganun yung kanyang. Thank you. Kanyang lasa. But it also has seafood. Oh, see? It has shrimp and squid. Usually, soup to, guys. But it's so good. Para siyang authentic talaga na... authentic talaga siya, guys. Gave us this mushroom. Mushroom. So of course, rice is life.
It's coming.
And I like mushroom a lot. This is enoki mushroom. And then we have here rice. Oyster yung pagkaluto niya. Oyster sauce. Sa Budol, capital of Bangkok or Pattaya.
Another
China moment. Sana hindi nakakahilo, no? May naka-upod siya, nakatulog. Ayan. Pwede papasok na tayo, guys. Oh. Scary man to, oy. Tinuloy ang vlog inside kasi sobrang dilim, but pretty much it's just an explanation or history kung paano na-discover ang gem sa Bangkok, ano yung mga areas na nagbebenta dito ng gems, ano yung mga klase ng gems, and your of course depende sa yung birthstone mo. So yun lang naman siya. And of course after that tour, merong gift shop kung gusto niyo bumili ng mga diamonds, ang mga kung ano naman yan na birthstone nyo or necklace, rings. So yun yung kikita niya after that. And then may souvenir shop, but again hindi na kami pumunta doon because wala na kami pambili. Wala na kami pambili. Pero hindi naman kasi nangyari na yun sa amin sa China. I think may trauma na kami, although I feel na totoo naman. No, siguro wala lang talaga kayong pera. In reality. Ba't ikaw naniniwala kang totoo yun? Yung mga gems din.
mukha naman siyang wala lang talagang pambili.
I agree. But feeling ko siya. Kasi yung mga mahal na dun, nasa mga 21 or 31,000 baht. Baht. We're talking about baht. So imagine the conversion and all. So, yun. I mean, wala lang talaga kaming pambili. Ikaw, Mara, naniniwala ka bang totoo yung mga gems dyan?
Oo, pero hindi ko bibili.
Diba? Waiting na lang siguro kaming tatlo. We're just gonna wait for our turn na makatanggap ng gano'n. Ayun pala yung exit. Pero hindi. Char lang. Pero hindi. Wala talaga kayo ng pera. Ayun talaga na yung bumili. So yun, lumabas na kami, and then we're going to our van. I'm not sure kung saan ang next, but let's see. Ang kakatuwa lang, no? Kasi nagkikwento nung pupunta kasi kami sa China. Ang meron na parang gano'n na pinuntahan namin is mga pearl. Sa Bangkok naman, like gems. Sabi ni Ailey sa Korea daw, amethyst talaga. Amethyst talaga.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. Amethyst yung focus. Amethyst yung focus ng ng kanilang country. But it's okay. So yeah, nakakatuwa lang to know that there are different bili mo? Matamis? Yeah. It's good to know that there are different mga anik-anik sa mga bansa-bansa. Sa atin din, Pearl, diba? Sa Philippines. Excuse me, sir. Is there near 7-Eleven here?
7-Eleven? I got
Far?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
can stop, cannot stop, you ask that can you?
Ah, okay, I see. So, kapag kailangan daw tumigil, sabihan daw si, kuya mo. Stop. Stop right now. Thank you very much. Sabi ni kuya dun sa loob ng jewelry store, actually, right now in Bangkok, it's, the temperature is 29 degrees, which is malamig. Malamig! So, yun, hindi siya super, like, mainit siya, but hindi siya yung kagaya ng mga punta ko sa bansang ito na talagang tumatagos hanggang bone marrow ang init. Ngayon, sakto lang siya. Kaya siyang survive na electric fan. And sa morning, malamig. So, sabi niya, ngayon daw yung parang pinakamalamig na season. So, yun. Maaga pa, guys. It's currently just 12:16. After nito, hindi ko alam kung saan pupunta. But the Chunky Kit Kat from Vern. Thank you so much. Ating ano ba yan? Equal ba? Kasi baka kawawa ka.
As you can see, kami lang dito na dito.
As you can see, kami lang yung mga mahihirap. Kasi lahat sila nandun pa sa store. Kami, alam na namin ang wait out.
Wait siya talaga yun.
The technique is mag-CR kayo, tapos diretso alis. Sarap. This is by far the most beautiful temple that I have ever seen. Ang ganda niya. Oh my gosh, I wish this vlog could justify how beautiful it is. Ang ganda niya. The new trend, ang helmet. Char. Kasi daw may construction na ginagawa doon. So, dapat suot yung helmet. So, paano? Sa picture.
So I'll be the staff to give you information at this time, 1:10 in the afternoon. So we spend them together about 45 minutes to an hour. So after that, free time for you to explore by yourself until 6 p.m. Okay, so now, if you're ready, let's start our journey. Okay, everyone, shall we go this way? Okay,
Welcome to Sanctuary of Truth dito sa Pattaya, Beshies. Grabe, ang ganda dito in person, parang nabuhay yung isang giant wooden castle from a fantasy movie. Fun fact, Beshies, wala talaga kahit isang pako ang structure na ito. Yes, gawa lahat sa kahoy and using traditional Thai woodworking techniques. Started in 1981 pa ito and hanggang ngayon under construction pa rin kaya we are wearing helmets during our tour. Kasi the idea is as long as life exists, there will always be something to build. Grabe, ang deep, 'di ba? The carvings represent philosophy, religion, and human development. So habang naglalakad ka, parang cultural and spiritual museum na rin. Another fun fact, Beshies, is the building is 105 meters tall. Mas mataas pa sa isang 30-story building. Tapos pure hand-carved lahat. Imagine the craftsmanship. Entrance also comes with a guided tour and sobrang helpful kasi ang daming symbolism na hindi mo makikita sa first glance. Kung akala mo picture perfect lang siya, nope! Ang dami ding activities around this. So, meron dito sa labas sa mga elephant ride, ATV, cultural shows, but we skipped those and focused sa architecture kasi super worth it talaga ito, Beshies. If you are planning to visit, bring water, wear comfy shoes, and ready to be amazed, Beshies. May mga parts din na ongoing yung wood restoration kasi natural na naaapektuhan ng weather yung kahoy. So, may chance makita mo mismo yung mga artisans at work. Live silang nagka-carve, which is super cool. By the way ha, so ayun nga, medyo mainit sa loob, so hydrate and hydrate. And kung mahilig kayo sa photos, best lighting is late afternoon. Golden hour hits different sa wood details. Overall, this is one of my favorite spots in Pattaya. Unique, cultural, and sobrang impressive.
My new friend. Hi, from Korea and United States. Seattle and LA. Chingu, my new Chingu. Yeah.
From LA.
From LA. Hi, my new Chingus. Diba? They taught me how to speak Korean. Annyeonghaseyo. Like that, diba? Perfect. After nito, pupunta naman kami sa bus station and then Pattaya. Ano ba yung Chatuchak, night market, last minute shopping, and then back to the hotel para kuhanin yung mga luggages namin and pupunta na kami ng airport because we have a flight later going back to the Philippines. Anyway, so yun, i-end ko na yung vlog dito para naman at least Pattaya lang yung laman ng vlog na to kasi I'm pretty sure mahihirapan akong i-continue yung vlog later. So sobrang dami namin gagawin at magmamadali talaga kami to maximize the time and make sure na mabili namin yung mga pasilubong na we still wanted to buy for our family and friends. So yun, I really had so much fun. Worth it na yung huli is the Sanctuary of Truth. Beshes, it's really beautiful by far. That's the most beautiful temple that I've ever been to, and it's so amazing kung paano nila ginagawa, kina-carve, and it's just made out of wood, diba? Ang tiyaga. So parang like, yeah. So yun, so just really had so much fun and definitely one for the books, and I'm happy we visited and we spent our tour with this tour guide. Actually, okay na naman yung tour. I feel like kung nagmamadali ka and you're just on a day tour here at Pattaya, masusulit nyo na yun, yung binayad nyo. Kasi sakay na kayo ng van, wala na kayong binayaran na ibang entrance fees, and may lunch na kasama. Tapos, kahit medyo namamadali sa ibang part, kasi wala naman talaga kayong gagawin doon. So, I understand kung bakit ganun nagmamadali. But anyway, we will end our vlog here, friends. We will end our Bangkok vlog. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, besties, for watching. Do not forget to hit like and subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Follow and like my Facebook and Instagram page as well. Ang link ay nasa description down below. Stay safe, stay happy, and stay healthy sa inyo at sa inyong buong family. God bless us all and see you on my next vlog. Bye! Bye guys! Close your eyes!